To a primetime news follow-up now. Bank of Jamaica BOJ Governor Richard Biles is seeking to clarify comments that very large salary increases will significantly increase inflation. The governor has been under fire from trade unionists, the private sector and members of the public since the BOJ's press briefing on Monday. He spoke earlier this evening on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines program.
I am not against a wage increase. It's a question of how much. Inflation has been at 6.6% is the last number. A wage increase in and around that number, a little above, a little below, is not going to hurt inflation. And it is going to put people back where they were before. Every working person has suffered from inflation over the last 2 years. And to recover from that is understandable. But that's a different kettle of fish to say, let's do very large increases in wages. That is counterproductive, and it is my job to say so. If I didn't do that, I could be accused of abandoning a major mandate of the Bank of Jamaica, which is to manage inflation within 4 to 6% per annum.
Mr. Biles insists that the salary increase given to most BOJ staff members, including senior executives, was very close to inflation. He also reacted to the massive salary increase across the public sector earlier this year.
One of the problems with it is that it would have a negative demonstration effect. So when you look at the dollar amount involved in that increase, it amounted to, I believe it was said in Parliament, $1.7 billion. Now, a wage increase of $1.7 billion in the total economy is not going to drive inflation. And I'm not commenting on whether the persons are justified in getting it or not. I'm not making any comment. I'm just saying $1.7 billion of increase in the economy is not going to drive inflation. However, it does have a demonstration effect. And I said it at the time. I said it does have a negative impact by way of its demonstration effect.